Hi everyone, this is Hisham from Ibn Khaldun Private School. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a final exam using Google Form. I designed this exam especially for this purpose and took in consideration a variety of questions. Let's take a quick look at this exam. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Student choose only one answer here. Number 2, true or false, the same type, choose true or false. Number 3, matching, match from column A equivalent to column B. Number 4, complete, student here type just one word. And question number 5, student compare between PC and laptop. So students here need to type mini sentence. Last question, student determine the type of the following units, input, output, or input and output at the same time. So student here choose maybe one or more answers. Okay, so how can you create this exam using Google Form? First step, I open internet and sign with my email and open my drive. You must sign with your email, your account first, then click on Google application and choose your drive. You open Google Drive. You should create folder to store your exams or your files. So I click on New and choose folder. I name this folder My Final Exam. I type here my final exams. Okay, and press create. Where is my folder? This is my folder. You must open it. Double click to open it. Now I open my final exams. How to create a new Google form? I go to New again and choose now Google Form. Google Form. Here, title of your exam, title of form. So I type what here? Final exam for grade 4, academic year 2021. I go to my file again and I can take copy from this title. Control C copy. Alt tab to switch between windows and here Control V, press Control V. Okay. When you save this form in Google Drive, it will take the same name. If you click here, change it to the same name of the title of form. Okay. Description is optional. You can type anything and describe your exam or no as you want. I type here in description the same sentence. I take copy, Control C copy, and paste here, Control V. Okay. Okay. Now I want to create the first question. Where is the first question here? Untitled question. This is the first question. If you want to add more questions, you can click on plus. Add questions. Okay. The first question, as I said before, number 1, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. So I take copy from number 1 here. This question number 1, Control C, and go to here, Control V. Option number 1, keyboard. Option number 2, printer. I can type it. Printer. And number 3, what? Speakers. I can type here, add more. Speakers. How to add new question? Click on plus. Now I have new question. I go to my file and take copy also. Control C and Control V and take options. Light pen, Control C, Control V, option number 1 and option number 2, computer. Option number 3, what? Click here again. and number 3, touchpad. Control C and Alt Tab to switch between windows and Control V. I finished question number 1. But I won't type here, choose the correct answer for question number 1. So I won't add here title. How to add title here? Select question number 1 and click what here? This add title and description. Title and description. Move it up. Now I can type what question number 1. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. Okay, this is question number 1. Just this title. And this is my first question. It contains just 2 sentences. I select last question and press what? Question number 2, what? Type true or false. So I won't add title again and type question 2 true or false. I can take copy and add here what title and paste. Add new question and copy your question now. The keyboard is one of the basic unit. Is true or false? I paste here number 1. And the student will choose true or false. I type here true and here false. Okay. I can take copy from this question. If you click here, I take duplicate this question. It means take copy from this question again. I duplicate it and just change the question to copy. Control C and here Control V. I finish question number 2. I think it's easy. Now I finish number 1 and 2. The third question here, matching. So I want to take this table as picture. I can't draw table in Google Form. So I want to save this table as picture. How to save this table as picture? Do you have any idea? I think you are perfect. Yes, I can take a screenshot. So I open new file, Word, file new, go to file, new, or press what? Control N. I can press Control N to open new one. Control N. How can you take a screenshot? Go to insert and choose screenshot, screen clipping, and select your table now. I select my table now. Now it's picture, not table. I save it as picture. Right click here and choose save as picture. And name it my table. Save on desktop. And press save. Now I saved it as picture. Close. Don't save, no need this file class. Okay. I go to Google Drive. This is the third questions, matching. Control C copy and go to my Google form again. I add new question here. This question number 3, paste. Third question. Now I want to add picture. How can I add picture? I click here and choose my picture from desktop. So I want to upload my picture. Browse and go to desktop. This is desktop and type here my table. This is my table. Choose press enter. This is okay now. Good. It's already added in my Google form. You can align it center. Click here, align it center. Center align. Okay. This sounds good for me. Now I want to type what? I want to choose this type of question. This is not short answer. I want a student match. Number 1, take any one, A, B, or C. Align, take a center. The correct answer here, B. So 1, take B. And 2, increase line space, take A. I choose the type of question to what? To multiple choice grid. Multiple choice grid. I click here and type. Here, row number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. What's the correct answer? A, B, C. A, B, C. So students choose number 1, take any one, take B. Number 2, take A. And last one, take C. Okay? This is okay. I finish this question. This is good. Insert a new question. What's the next question here? Complete the following sentence. So I take it copy. I need to create title here. I need title. So I click what? Title. Title. Where is title? Sit down. So I want to drag drop here before question. Control B paste. And now I can complete the following sentence. I take number 1, copy. Control C, copy. Go here. This question and the paste. Okay. This is a short answer. Short answer. This is okay. I can take it, copy, duplicate, and choose number 2. Select number 2. Control C, copy, back again, and paste now. This is also short answer, not multiple choice. Short answer. So here type just one word. Okay. Question number 5, compare. Compare between laptop and PC. This is paragraph question. How can insert 2 pictures in one question? This is problem. I have 2 pictures here, 2 pictures here. I want to add them to my question in Google Form. So I need to make as one picture. How to make them as one picture? It is I can take a screenshot also. So I open new file, Control N, open new file, and go to insert, screenshot, screen clipping, and select your picture. Now it's one picture, not 2. Right click here and save as picture. Right click, save as picture, and this is my laptop. Laptop 2. And this desktop, save now. Back again to Google Form. I want what? New question here. And this question compare. So you need to type many sentence. I choose type 2 paragraph. Okay. Add my picture here. And browse. Choose your picture. Where is laptop 2? I type here laptop 2. This is my picture. Press enter. It's not correct, sorry. Laptop 2, laptop 2. And press open. Alhamdulillah. And where is the question? Compare. I type here compare. Fifth question, compare. Control C, and here Control C. So no need title here. I don't need title. I can type my title here inside the question. Because it's just one question, not repeated. Now I insert the last one. And what's the last one here? I close this, no need, don't save, and don't save. Let me use this file again. Last question here, student choose the answer from it. Choose one or more answer here. Choose one or more answer. Determine the type of the following. So you student need to choose one or more. I choose what? I choose tick box grid to choose one or more answers. Okay. Okay. Column number 1, where is the picture? Where is the question? Sorry, where is my question here? Touchpad, touch screen, printer. Touchpad, touchpad, touch screen, printer. Number 1, touchpad. Number 2, touch screen. This small. And last one, printer. Here, choices, input, output, and input. That's enough. Input or out, that's enough. Sorry, output. Just two choices, input or output. It's okay. Now I finish my exam. How can I make this exam? I go to here, setting, and choose setting, change setting. If you want to make them, make it as exam, you must go to setting and choose what? Quizzes, and turn this on. Make this as a quiz. Make this a quiz. Okay, and press save. General, if you want to collect email from a student, check this box, collect email. Okay, I press save, and you must check every question to be required. So student must answer all questions before send or submit this question answer to you. How can make all questions required? I click here, required. Every question must be required. So student can't forget any one. But I forget something here. Student must type here his name or her name. So I forget name of student. I need to add question here in the first. Student write down his name. I click question number 1 here and add. Move it up and choose what? Short answer. And here type student name. Students as short answer. Now I write down the model answer. Student name, no point for this question. Answer here, 0.0. No mark for this question. Question number 2. From the input unit, click here and choose what? Answer key. Input units, keyboard. So I click answer key and choose keyboard. How mark for this question? 1 mark. Okay. And so on. Number 2, output. Which one? I think plotter. I click answer and choose plotter. There's only one also. And press done. Number 1, I think it's true. Done. Number 2, also true. Answer key and choose true. And press done. Number 3, match. I click answer key also. Where is answer key? You must select your question first and click answer key. Number 1, take any one. Number 1, align text center, take number B. So check number, click on B. Number 2, increase line space A. And the last one, C. Every point has only 1 mark. So this question, 3 marks. 1 point for each statement. Press done now. Incomplete is very big problem because you have multiple choices for the same word. I click answer key and try to type everything about what correct answer. Is used to enter letters and numbers. Keyboard. I type here keyboard. I start with capital letter. I type it again without capital letter, small letter keyboard. So it's different to different words. Keyboard here, I start with capital K. Here I start with small. It's not the same. But maybe student type it mistake. So you must review it again. Review answer for students. Okay. Okay. Okay, done. Done. Number 2, use to select icon mouse. I click here, answer key, and type what mouse. One small and one capital mouse. Okay, and press done. You can tell your student not type any letter capital. So all students type all letters small. No use any letter capital. In paragraph answer, no, you can't type answer here. No model answer. But I give mark for this question 2 mark. And press done. No model answer here. Last one, I click here and answer last one, answer key. Touchpad, just input. Touch screen, student here choose input and output. And I change it to 2 mark, not only 1. Printer is just output. So this question 4 marks and press done. Now, what's the total mark for this exam now? The total mark for this exam 15. Total mark for this exam now 15. Computer save everything automatically. No need to click on save. No save here. If you close, you can open it again and it will be saved automatically. I can change the name of this form. This name, it will save with this name. I change to grade 4. And now I can save my file. I close. How to open it again? Just click here again, this name of the form. Double click, it will open again. So you can change anything as you want. Okay, you can change the theme from this icon. You can change the color for background or change this blue color as you want. It's easy. And you can change the font here. You have 4 styles for font. You can change like this. And you have only play 4 choices. Okay, this is something good for me. And you can add header as picture. No need. Okay, that's easy for you. Now we have some notes you should take care about them. When a student answers this question, the student will know his or her mark, and this is a problem for me because the student ask me many times why I get low mark. I answer this question correctly and the computer give me 0 for this question. So I want to hide the total mark or marks of student. How can do it? I click here, setting again, and change here. Go to quiz and change here letter. Release mark. Release mark when later, not now. After manual review. After teacher review the exam and give the final mark, I can tell a student his or her mark. Okay? So, not immediately. I don't want the student know his mark now. So I choose later. And also, I don't need student no missed question, no missed question because I make all question as required. So no missed question in this exam. Correct answer. If student answer any question wrong, computer will tell him the correct answer. And the student can tell other students what is the correct answer. So I don't want the student to know the correct answer. Keep this point value. Yes, I want to know how mark for this question. So I choose what here? Letter Student, no mark later, not now. And no points value for each question. Okay, and press save. Check again this quiz. Okay, quiz again and choose what letter and just one here point value. Go up again. In general, I want the student answer this question just one time, so I click here, limit to one response. If you forget this, a student can answer this question many times, and this is very big problem for you. You must answer all answers for student and give him the highest mark. So check limit to one response. Okay, and uncheck two boxes. Edit after submit. After student submit exam, he can't edit it again, and he can't see summary for anything. You want to collect email or no? This is your choice. If you want to collect email, it's okay. If you don't like to collect email, no problem. Student just type his or her name. It's okay for me. Presentation, show progress bar, as you want, no problem. Shuffle question order, change order of question. Maybe question number 1 go to as question number 5, and question number 5 as question number 2. Switch between or change order for question. No need. Here is very important to tell student you finish your exam. I type here congratulations. You complete your exam successfully. Your exam successfully. Successfully. Okay, I can choose the correct answer, correct word, successfully. Congratulations, you complete your exam. You completed your exam successfully. Okay, and press save. When students submit this exam, computer displays this message. Congratulations, you completed your exam successfully, and press save now. Now I want to test my exam as a student. I click on preview and test myself. A student name, I type my name here, Hisham. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, input unit, keyboard. Number 2, output, plotter. This is 1 point, 1 mark. Second question, true or false? True. Number 1, take any one. Number 1, take B. Number 2, take number 2, take A. And the last one, take C. Here in this question, I type keyboard. Keyboard. And you should tell students don't use capital letters. And here mouse. But here problem, if I forget E, computer will consider as wrong answer. But when you review this exam, you will give him mark. Okay, I type it as wrong misspelling. Here I type anything, this is my answer, and this you give mark for this question. Computer can't give mark for paragraph. Touchpad input, touch screen input and output, and printer output. Okay, I finish my exam. If I forget anything, this question require, so you must give answer. Submit, you can't submit your exam. You must answer all questions. So I answer all questions. If I forget anything, computer doesn't accept. I forget my name and press submit. Computer doesn't accept. I type my name here, Hisham. No email because I uncheck collect email. And now I can submit my exam. Computer give me my message. Congratulations, you complete your exam successfully. No mark, no any feedback. No correct answer, no wrong answer, no mark. It's okay, it's okay for me, so student can't complain. Why I take low mark? Why is computer give wrong and I answer it correctly? Okay. Now, how can I upload this exam in Google Class? I want to upload this exam in Google Class. So you will open Google Classroom. I go to here and open Classroom. Where is Classroom? I open Classroom. This is exam for grade 8. So I open my class grade 4. Grade 4, sorry. Grade 4. I go to down. Where is grade 4? I choose grade 4. But I choose my class. This is my private class. Classwork. And create new one as you can choose assignment or quiz as you want, no problem. Anyone, it's okay. I choose quiz. This is title here, final exam. Final exam. Final exam. Okay. And I remove this and add my file, add my exam. Go to Google Drive and choose your exam now. My Drive and open your folder. Where is my folder here? Final exam. Oh, my final exams. Open it. You will find the grade 4 here. Double click on it. Now I choose my topic, ICT. And how marks for this exam? This exam from 15. So I type here 15. Don't forget, this is very important. My exam from 15 or 50, 100 as you did. Okay. Now don't assign now. You can save as draft, and when exam start, you can publish or assign your exam. I can save now as draft. Okay. Save as draft. So student can see exam. At the time, you can assign it. Go to here again. This is my final exam. I open it and click here, edit. Now I can assign my exam for a student at the time. Assign now. A student can answer exam now. I think after the middle of the time, you can delete this exam. So anyone can open it again. Open this exam again, edit. And what after the middle of the time or the end of the time, you can click here to delete your exam and press save. So no anyone can see your exam now. Just give marks for students. You can give marks for students. If you have 10 students, you will assign 10, you will receive 10 hand in. Okay, and give mark for each one. How can you give mark? How can correct my exam? I go to here again and check responses. I have only one response. Just me answer the exam. So I click on responses and check answer. Where is answer? No answer, just summary. So I want to choose individual to check every student. This is just summary. In summary, and this just one student answer this question and answer it not correct. And the same, this summary. Okay, I go to individual and check for each one. I have only one student. If you have more, you go to 1 from 10 and you can switch. Go previous or next as you want. You can print it if you want. No problem. And you can delete answer. Now I check. This is not Hisham. Choose the correct answer. Okay, it's okay. Multiple choice and true false is computer give correct mark. But I check on what? I check on complete and paragraph. You must check on complete and paragraph. Here, number one is okay. Take one from one. It's okay. But number two, use to select icon, student type mouse. He forget E. So I can consider it as right answer. I change mark here to one. I give him mark and save. I consider it as correct answer. Okay. So I change mark to one. I change it to one and save. Okay. Where is answer again? Now I give him one by one. Go to paragraph. Computer considers it as wrong. So I check this is the correct answer. I give him one from two. So I click here and give him one from two and press save. Okay. So the total mark will change up. If you check here, the total mark every time change. Now he took the final mark. He took final mark. If it change mark again, final mark, I check again, sorry, I check again. Stick from one, from two, something wrong. I check, it's okay. I saved or no? Okay, now mark again. Okay, this is the mark for student, for 14 from 15. This mark for student, for 14 from 15. If I change mark for paragraph and give him the final mark, full mark, I click here and give him 2 and press save. Now the student took final mark, full mark, 15 from 15. It's okay? Okay. Suppose I have 20 students, so I want to create file for 20 students. If you click here, you can create file, Excel file, and press create. I have Excel file now. You can download this file on your computer, go to file, and just click on what? Download. Just wait, file, download, and choose Microsoft Excel. And download it now on my computer. So I can open it here directly. No need internet now. It's just saved on your laptop. Bismillah. You must press on what? Enable editing to edit your file. This timestamp, time, this time. I answer this question or this exam 20 April, 22 April. What's the time? 22, 21. It's the time now, the same time. Where is the time, sorry? 22, it means 10, 10 p.m. 10 p.m. My score, 15. And my name, student name, Hisham. And this answer for Hisham. I don't need answer, so I can delete answers. Highlight columns, no need answer. I just need name and mark. You can delete it, right click and delete, or delete from keyboard as you want. No problem. Just I need time. If you need time, okay. I need score and name. Score and name. Now you can print this paper. You have every student and has mark. I go to classroom and give Hisham 15 and give Ahmed 15, give Ali 13, give Umayma 10, and so on. Check everyone and give the mark as you see. And you can save your file here, and I think this is all for Google Form. If you have any question, just let me know. Thank you for listening and see you later inshallah. Bye bye.